Machiegni, Jatend piny migosi William Ruto okwayo joodbura mondo mi okaw ting mar kedo kod mibadhi e pachoka, kowacho ni gine mabende ginyayo weche mag mibadhi. Kolosi kinde romo ma sirikande mag loch gwenge kaunti ma Homa Bay, Ruto wacho ni ok omor kod lipode mabende oseyudo wi joodbura ma kawasoya kuom jogo ma mibadhi omieno mondo mi gikonygi rucho oko nyingegi e listi mar jogo mabende mibadhi omieno e pachoka.
The legislature must also be held to account. There is something going on in our legislature that we must call out. There is money being demanded from the executive, from governors, from people in the executive, especially those who go for accountability before our houses of parliament. It cannot continue to be business as usual.
Ruto bende okwayo bad migawo mar mondo mi omi pek buche mag mibadhi momieno jotelo e pachoka.
We have innovation that is only available in Kenya that allows a corrupt person or somebody who has stolen public resources or somebody in breach of law not to be prosecuted. Something called anticipatory bail. It is a Kenyan innovation that takes us backwards. Just let's ask ourselves, somebody who has stolen public funds and then goes to court and gets something called anticipatory bail, makes it impossible for such a person to be arrested and prosecuted endlessly. How does that support the fight against corruption? This is a matter I hope our friends in the judiciary would help us answer.
Jatend piny owacho ni onge jatelo mora mora mabende ama mibadhi omiene pachoka mok bi kawo ne okang' mager mar chik. Komachielo